find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. And nothing's gonna tear us apart. Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you are not new here, hey girl, what's up? As you could see from the title, we'll be working with Sterlyhair. If I'm not mistaken, this is the first time I've been working with this company, and girl, let me tell you, super quick and easy to install, glueless. I can take this on and off at night, so it's very much beginner friendly. I did have to go in and pluck, so if you are used to plucking your units, then that is perfect. The hair I'm currently wearing is their 5x5 HD lace closure body wave unit in 180 density and 26 inches, so you know we're really nice and long. The hair is really full, so you don't have to worry about any issues of the hair being thin. Like, she's thick all throughout. And yeah, I'm living for these beach waves, and I show you guys how I did this quick and easy glueless install with this gorgeous wig from Sterlyhair. If you'd like to see how I did it, just keep on watching, and as always, the links will be in the description box if you'd like to purchase this unit. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. And nothing's gonna tear us apart. I'm all in, just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I'm all in, just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I'm all in, just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I'm all in, just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I feel like taking over.
Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. Just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew. Yeah, circumnavigate the globe as the cash grows. Get a nigga whack like you get the grass mowed. I'm talking slick when I'm with the big slide, nigga. Could hit your bitch, you can never hit mine, nigga. In my DNA, electric slide, nigga. No catfishing, this is not a fish fry, nigga. Never switch sides on the dog. Catch a contact, hit your ride, go tomorrow. Everybody say, how could you come about your face and say I need the hardest nigga you never heard? I never like a rapper's dead and bird. The verse for me is like 11 birds. Just did the letters, like $2,000 every word. I'm on the verge, I beat the church. I kill some niggas and I walk away from it. Then I observe just how you curve. Then told a nigga that they gotta wait for it. I know you ain't hard to man. I'm balling on the pussy nigga like you want a man. I'm drowning all inside the pussy like I never swear. Hey, fuck your IG, I put something on your sonogram on the man. Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. Just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew.
Perch talk, I can make a brick walk, up, north, down, south, bank head, picture walk, hit it with a little water, stretch it like a vocal cord, STD, I run my ward, book a fed and his daughter. I'm a ready come down, I supply the sugar and bread, I got a man and she gon' ride, she took a quarter and she fled, I'm in a limo, she gon' ride, I see them painting, shot it like fries, I'm in that London with some big thighs, no fries, she steaks with the fish thighs, did your mama tell you something on 5 stop, drop and roll? I've been on the road like a past runners of stop and goes. Yeah, I can charge him like a Dutch and a demon. Got your broad in the garage, you ain't seen it. Every time a nigga go back to the ward, niggas act like they won't start it. We leave them on the cement.
Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. Just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew. I ain't crushed down with the money. Put it full time, whole place. Full side, in and out. I might down, city whole time, whole place. Full side.
I can make a brick walk, up, north, down, south, bank head, picture walk, hit it with a little water, stretch it like a vocal cord, STD, I run my ward, book a fed and his daughter. I'm a ready come down, I supply the sugar and bread, I got a man and she gon' ride, she took a quarter and she fled, I'm in a limo, she gon' ride, I see the paint and shot it like fries, I'm in that London with some big thighs, no fries, she steaks with the fish thighs, did your mama tell you something on 5 stop, drop and roll? I've been on the road like a past runners of stop and goes. Yeah, I can charge him like a Dutch and a demon. Got your broad in the garage, you ain't seen it. Every time a nigga go back to the ward, niggas act like they won't start it. We leave them on the cement.
Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. Just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew. I ain't crushed down with the money. Put it full time, whole place. Full side, in and out. I might down, city whole time, whole place. Full side.
Alright you guys, so this gorgeous unit is from Sterlyhair. They went ahead and sent me their 5x5 HD lace closure unit in 26 inches in body wave, of course. And as you guys can see, I did these cute little beach waves. They're really easy to do. It took me less than 10 minutes to do this, and honestly I love it. When they fall from being however voluminous they are now, it's just gonna give very subtle wavy hair, and that is something I love. It just really embraces the actual texture of the hair, which is body wave, and so far so good. Like, For me to only curl this one time, like the waves are everything right now, and I'm not having any real problems with this hair. It is doing minimal shedding. The texture is nice. The hair is really soft and silky, so it's not coarse or anything gritty. It's really just silky butter smooth hair. And yeah, I don't have much to say because this hair is giving what it's supposed to give, not having any issues. So if you're looking to get just a really easy, quick throw on unit that you do not have to use glue on, super easy to work with, super easy to pluck, this is definitely the unit for you. And it didn't come pre-plucked, so I did have to do a bit of plucking, and you know, like, we did our thing over here, so you know, we're looking real good. And bleaching, it took to the bleach pretty easily, the knots. And yeah, so that is pretty much it. If you'd like to know anything else about this gorgeous unit from Sterlyhair, please leave a comment in the comment section below. And as always, the links for this gorgeous unit will be in the description box if you'd like to purchase, so don't forget to go ahead and check that out below as well. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.